Hey Jerrod, what you cooking?
Hey buddy, we're gonna cube some chicken, some nice chicken breast, and then we're gonna brown them, and I'm gonna make a special shrimp and chicken etouffee. Again, this is one of those recipes for very lazy people. Do it in about 15, 20 minutes, putting it all together. Takes you about an hour to cook it, but very low attention, and it makes it look like you cooked all day. It's one of those cheap, easy ones. So we're gonna continue cubing chicken breast.
What you got, Jerrod?
All right, as all good Louisiana dishes start, we start with our chopped up onions and bell peppers in the pan. We turn the fire on, and we start to cook that down. We're gonna cook the onions and bell peppers down, a little seasoning, of course. Cook that down and get it tender. That's the start of all good Louisiana dishes.
What with that food, man?
All right, we're gonna introduce our cubed and seasoned chicken breast into our sauteed bell peppers and onions. And we're gonna brown this, get it right. So we're gonna get this chicken browned up. That's the first step to the dish. Ça c'est bon.
I heard you were on a diet.
Hey man, one step at a time. I started walking this week. Diet is next week. You gotta work into these baby steps, a little bit at a time. But I tell you what, for anybody that is on a diet, this dish isn't so bad. I mean, it's not a whole bunch of fat things in it. I mean, we're doing chicken breast right now, and bell peppers and onions are kind of neutral, so it's not a bad way to go. Reduce the heat, and we're gonna put that aside. Once we put that aside, we're gonna grab our saucepan, and we're gonna add in some cream of shrimp soup. And I do 2 cans of each, cream of shrimp and golden mushroom. And we're gonna get that going in the saucepan. So that's the next step to this incredibly hard dish. And then once we get that to a ball, we're gonna add our brown chicken into it. All right, get that going. All right, once we get this soup good and mixed together and bring it up to a boil where you start getting the bubbles, it's time to add in our chicken. We're gonna take our brown chicken, the whole contents of this pot, and move it on in to the soup that's already cooking. Get it all of it, get all the good stuff, all them, like Justin Wilson used to say, all them onions. Do that all together. So we're gonna get that in and get it mixed in. And then we'll reduce the heat a little bit and start it simmering. All right, once we get this good and combined and looking good and seasoned to taste and got it ready to go, we're gonna go ahead and add in a lightly seasoned, about a pound and a half, a 9110 shrimp. Just add it right into the pot.
9110 shrimp?
9110. Just add it right on in and keep that cooking. Bring it back up to a ball and mix it in. And you know, whenever you add in shrimp, you probably add it in about 8-10 minutes before you're ready to turn the dish down, because shrimp doesn't take long to cook. So we're gonna get that heat back up, kind of get it bubbling again, and get the shrimp cooked down. So we're well on our way to shrimp and chicken etouffee.
What you got, Jay?
All right, got our shrimp added in, and we got to watch the color. And once the shrimp start to get kind of that pink pretty color, we're gonna go ahead and reduce the heat, bring it back down to a simmer. And we'll let it simmer for about 10 minutes. And then we ready to go.
Fine as frog, sir.